Okay, so what we got here is a Lexus UX250h Hybrid 2023, brand new. So what we've installed is a Cat 2 insurance approved touch immobilizer system by Cobra. So if you do not deactivate the system when you get in the vehicle, or if a thief copies or clones your key, they will not be able to drive the vehicle because they do not have the Cobra key tag to disarm the system. So as you can see, I'm trying to start the vehicle. The vehicle will not start, it does not say ready. So when you get in the vehicle, you need to disarm the system with the tag, which I'm going to do now, but I can't show you where the location is. Okay, so now the system has been disarmed, and as you can see, now it says ready on the left. Also, I can turn the engine on as well. If you want this installed on your vehicle to protect it from being stolen, see the link down below, or give us a call on 028 554 5554. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.